Hello mga ka-blessings! Welcome sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na sa mga bago. Hello po! Sa video ko ngayon mga ka-blessings ay pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa SPay Later or Shopee Pay Later. So ang SPay Later po mga ka-blessings ay ginagamit siyang pangbayad, hindi lang sa mga in-order natin sa Shopee, pati na rin sa iba nating mga bills or bayarin dito sa Shopee. So, naisipan kong gawan to ng video para doon sa mga nagbabalak na gumamit ng SPay Later sa Shopee para naman kahit papaano ay madagdagan yung kanilang idea or magkaroon sila ng idea tungkol sa SPay Later. So ito yung ilan sa mga informations na aking nakalap. So una, how many months do you have to pay in SPay Later? So yung SPay Later guys, para siyang buy now, pay later. Para siyang yung sa mga credit card na installment, ganun siya. So, yung months na pwede nating yung sagot dito sa months na kailangan nating magbayad sa SPay Later is hanggang mula 1 to 12 months. So, hanggang 12 months or hanggang 1 year lang po, mga ka-blessings. So, sabi dito, with SPay Later, users can make immediate purchases while having the option to defer payment. This service offers different payment plans, allowing users to spread their payments over periods ranging from 1 to 12 months. So, pwede kayong mamili basta hanggang 12 months lang or 1 year. Next, do I need down payment for SPay Later? So, sabi dito, with SPay Later, users can make a purchase immediately and pay for it later on a monthly basis. So, monthly yung pagbayad nyo dito sa SPay Later. So, feature details like seamless activation. Buyers have the option to activate SPay Later with SingPass or by manual verification. So, ito naman sa down payment, buyers can check out within their allocated limit with no upfront payment. So, I think pwede yung walang down payment. How long is the refund of SPay Later? SPay Later funds will be credited back within 24 to 48 hours, so 1 to 2 days. If the buyer managed to request return or refund within the Shopee guaranteed period, if refund has to be filed manually, 5 to, so kung manual siyang piniled, 5 to 7 days yung processing days para ma-refund nyo yung pera. Pero kung online nyo siyang ni-refund, nasa 1 to 2 days yung kanyang allocated time para ma-refund nyo. What happens if I do not make payment on time on SPay Later? So, ano daw yung mangyayari kung hindi kayo nakapagbayad on time sa SPay Later? So, sabi dito, you are required to make full payments as per your SPay Later bills whenever you have utilized the SPay Later function. So, for example, 120 per month yung babayaran nyo. So, dapat 120 talaga yung babayaran nyo. Dapat on time. Hindi rin pwedeng kulang. So, sabi dito, if you do not make full payment by the 10th or 1st of every month, so, sambawa, 1st day of the month or 10th day of the month, ayan, yung SPay Later nyo daw or Shopee account will be suspended. So, masususpended kung hindi kayo makapagbayad ng on time or kulang yung binayad nyo. What if I cancel my order using Shopee Pay? SPay Later. The amount paid via SPay Later will be credited or refunded back to your SPay Later wallet after processing. So, kung kinancel nyo, mga ka-blessing, yung in-order nyo, tapos yung ginamit yung pambayad ay SPay Later, kung magkano naman yung binayad nyo sa inyong in-order, gamit yung SPay later nyo na pera, ay mababalik yan. Marirepand yan doon sa inyong SPay later wallet. So, mag-wait nga lang kayo. Tulad din ng sabi dito, mag-wait nga lang kayo ng 1 to 2 days. Pinakamatagal na yung 1 week. Ayan. Tapos may nakalagay din dito, remaining amount paid using other payment methods will be refunded as follows. So, yung ibang amount daw na pinayad nyo, pero hindi SPay later yung ginamit yung pambayad, marirefund siya via Shopee Pay or link BPI account. Kung meron kayong nakalink na BPI, ATM card nyo, yon doon din ilalagay. Pwede rin sa e-wallet, pwede rin cash on delivery. Doon na lang nila ibibigay yung ibang refund. O kaya, online banking. Pwede rin sa inyong Shopee Pay wallet. So, yun po. What will happen if you don't pay on SPay later? So, ano daw yung mangyayari kung hindi kayo magbayad sa inyong utang sa SPay later? So, sabi dito, overdue users will have their SPay later services suspended, resulting to in the inability to check out with SPay later. So, hindi na kayo makakagamit guys ng SPay later. So, once na meron kayong orderan sa Shopee or bayaran sa inyong mga bills, hindi nyo na magagamit yung SPay later bilang pangbayad nyo. Kasi nga, hindi maayos yung record nyo. Meron kayong hindi kayo nagbayad sa SPay later, may utang kayo. So, yun. So, para tuloy-tuloy yung paggamit nyo ng inyong Shopee Pay later, ay dapat maayos kayong magbayad on time at wala kayong utang para maganda yung inyong record. Then, how do I pay offline with SPay later? So, paano do kayo magbayad offline sa SPay later? So, una, punta kayo sa Shopee Pay, then select Pay, then i-type nyo yung inyong Shopee Pay PIN, then piliin nyo yung payment, then piliin nyo yung SPay later, and your installment plan. Buy now, pay later. Pipili lang kayo kung ilang months. So, ito yung mga process guys. Pwede nyo itong i-screenshot para meron kayong idea. Next, can I pay early for SPay later? So, pwede daw mag-advance payment para sa SPay later. Sabi dito, yes, you can pay your SPay later bill in advance. So, para magbayad sa inyong upcoming bills ng advance, ito yung instructions. Punta lang kayo sa inyong SPay later wallet, i-click nyo yung pay now or pay early, then i-click nyo yung upcoming bill, then tick the box corresponding to the month of the bill. So, i-click nyo yung box kung ano yung month na corresponding to the month of the bill you want to pay, kung ano yung month na gusto nyong bayaran. Then, click pay now, then pili kayo ng payment method, then pay in full. Yan yung advance payment. So, ito yung instructions. How much is the interest in SPay later? Magkano daw yung interest or yung tubo dito sa SPay later? Kasi 'di ba parang installment to sa mga credit card. So, magkano yung tubo niya? So, sabi dito, interest rate on purchases made via SPay later ranges from 1% to 5% each month. So, each month, bawat buwan, yung range niya, yung range ng tubo is from 1% to 5%. The interest which you will pay as pay later bills is different for each users based on their individual payment and shopping habits. So, yung tubo pala guys, magkaiba. Magkaiba depende sa user. So, kasi syempre, magkaiba naman yung kanilang binabayaran, yung kanilang mga activities na ginagawa at yung kanilang the way sila bumili, kung ano yung mga binibili nila doon at mga binabayaran. So, depende. May nakalagay lang dito ranges from 1 to 5%. So, nandyan. Then, can SPay later be refunded? So, nare-refund nga ba yung SPay later? So, tulad nga ng sabi kanina, yes, pwede siyang ma-refund. So, ito yung instructions. Select return or refund. So, ito yung kanilang andito lang yun guys sa Shopee account. Andito lang ito kung paano refund. Then, how do you activate as pay later easily? Kung paano daw ma-activate ng mabilis or ng madali yung ating as pay later. So, sabi dito, punta tayo sa Me tab. Then, piliin natin yung as pay later. Then, click activate now. Then, lagay natin yung atong cellphone number. Kasi, dun sa cellphone number natin, magti-text yung OTP code na itatype natin. Then, click continue. Then, kailangan nating mag-upload ng isang valid ID. Tapos, mag-fill up tayo doon ng ating mga personal informations. Then, kailangan din ng ating selfie. Then, after nun, click OK. Hintayin na lang natin kung successful ba yung ating yung pag-activate ng ating SPay later or failed. Next, how will my refund be processed if I use SPay later? So, paano daw yung process ng pag-refund sa SPay later? So, if you raise a return or refund for an order that was paid using SPay later, your refund will be processed once your request is reviewed and approved by the seller of Shopee's team. So, halimbawa, yung in-order mo sa Shopee, kinancel mo. So, gusto mong i-refund na lang yung binayad mo at ilagay sa yung SPay later wallet. Yung proseso niyan, bago ma-refund yung binayad mo, once na makita nila yung request mo na i-cancel mo na, i-review muna nila yan. Lalo na yung may-ari ng Shopee na yon, Shopee store at saka yung kanyang Shopee team at saka yung Shopee team. Once na na-review na yon at na-approve yon, then paproseso na nila yung pag-refund ng inyong binayad. So yung palugit nila is within 5 days, nakalagay dito. Can I use SPay later to pay bills? Syempre, pwede siyang pambayad ng mga bayarin natin like load, kuryente. So, the available payment methods for bills payment are only Shopee Pay and SPay later until further notice. So, kindly ensure that all details are correct and complete before submitting the user takes. So, dapat verified muna yung inyong SPay later at saka yung inyong Shopee Pay account. Ayan, para mas secure yung inyong account, especially kung nagbabayad kayo ng mga bills na malalaki yung mga amount. Mas maganda, i-verify nyo muna yung inyong mga account sa Shopee Pay at SPay later. What bank is SPay later in? So, nakalagay dito, CIMB Bank Philippines Incorporated, doing business under the same SPay later and as loans has been assigned to CIMB Bank Philippines Incorporated as of November 1, 2022. How do I pay my due in SPay later? Paano daw siya magbayad ng kanyang bayarin sa SPay later? So, sabi dito, ganun din, same lang din kung gagamitin natin yung Shopee Pay. Pupunta lang din tayo doon sa payment method and then piliin natin yung dito may Shopee Pay, Payment Center, e-wallet, OTC. Pipiliin lang natin doon yung under sa SPay later. What is the available limit for SPay later? So, sabi dito, up to 12-month installments. So, 12 months yung kanilang installment lang. So, mamimili lang kayo kung 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Up to 10,000 pesos limit. Yan. Enjoy credit limit from 2,500 to 10,000 pesos. When should I pay for SPay later? So, kailan daw ba dapat magbayad sa SPay later? So, sabi dito, the SPay later billing details will reflect on the SPay later page every 5th or 25 of the month. So, sa day 5 or ka 25 day ng buwan na yan. Depende yan, depending on your chosen billing cycle and will include your completed and refunded orders. Nakadepende yan guys sa pinili nyong cycle. You need to pay your bills no later than 5th or 15th of the following of the month. So dapat hindi lalagpas sa 15 ika-15 ng buwan na yan. Do I need down payment for as pay later? So ito na yung pag-usapan natin kanina. Is everyone eligible for as pay later? So sabi dito, only eligible and selected Shopee users will be offered the option to activate and make purchases using the SPay Later service. So hindi lahat guys pwedeng ma-activate yung kanilang SPay Later. Here are the to-dos to increase your chances of being eligible to SPay Later. Buy more on Shopee. Settle your orders with digital payment methods. Like kapag umorder kayo sa Shopee guys, kapag madalas yung ginagamit na pambayad sa inyong mga in-orders ay through Shopee Pay at bank transfer, ayun, malaki yung chance nyo na pwede na kayong makagamit nitong SPay Later. Eligible na kayo na gumamit nito. Then, can I pay half on SPay Later? Pwede ba daw magbayad ng kalahati lang sa SPay Later? Ang sagot ay, partial repayment on your SPay Later account is not available at the time being. So, sa ngayon, hindi pa siya pwede. Hindi pa siya available. How do I increase my credit limit with SPay Later? So, the tips to increase the next Shopee Pay Later limit are to always use the SPay Later payment method. So, para mas mapalaki yung credit limit na pwede nyong mautang sa SPay Later, dapat maintain nyo lang. Pagpatuloy nyo lang yung paggamit ng SPay Later bilang pambayad sa inyong mga binibili or bayarin sa Shopee. Because this activity can build trust in SPay Later providers to you as their users. Kasi kapag alam nila na palaging SPay Later yung ginagamit mo sa inyong mga in-order, sa inyong mga bayarin, especially kung palagi kayong may bayarin, palagi kayong may in-order, magtitiwala na sa inyo yung mga SPay Later providers na ito siya, madalas na yan bumibili, madalas na yan may binabayaran, tapos SPay Later yung ginagamit niya, malaki yung chance na lumaki yung limit na pwede nyong mautang. Mahiram dito sa SPay Later, or lumaki yung amount, yan. The use of SPay Later often and timely payments will provide opportunities, ayan o. So yung madalas yung paggamit, tapos nitong SPay Later bilang pambayad, yung nagbibigay ng opportunity sa inyo para mapalaki yung limit na pwede nyong mahiram dito sa SPay Later. What will happen if you don't pay on Shopee Pay Later? So ito na yung pag-usapan natin kanina. Kung hindi kayo magbayad, masisira yung record nyo, magiging pangit yung record nyo, masususpended yung SPay Later wallet nyo, at yung worst pa nun, hindi na kayo makakagamit, hindi nyo na magamit yung SPay Later wallet nyo bilang pambayad sa inyong mga in-order at babayarin sa Shopee. Kasi maganda rin guys kapag SPay Later yung ginamit nating pambayad, malaki yung natitipid natin, maraming mga discounts. Is there 12 months in SPay Later? Yes, meron guys, kasi hanggang 1 to 12 months meron. SPay Later only for 6 months? Hindi. Hanggang 12 months siya. Sabi dito, SPay Later is a payment method where buyers are subjected to a standard monthly processing fee of 1.5% for the installment options 3, 6 at saka 12 month, and 0% processing fees for the pay next month option. So, hindi lang 6 months yung SPay Later, kundi hanggang 12 months or 1 year. Where I can see my bill in SPay Later. So, punta lang kayo sa SPay Later na page, then piliin nyo yung bills or latest transactions. And doon, makikita nyo na yung mga transactions history nyo, yung mga activities, mga transactions na ginawa nyo under your SPay Later account. Where can I see my bill and SPay Later? So, same lang sila. Can I use SPay Later for groceries? Yes. With over 1.6 million do-it-now QR merchants nationwide where Shopee Pay is accepted, you can use SPay Later not only for purchasing electronic devices like smartphones and fashion items. So, yung SPay Later guys, pwede rin siya sa mga electronic devices tulad ng mga cellphones, mga fashionable items. Pwede na rin siya guys sa mga groceries, mga pagkain. Pwede na rin siyang ipambayad ang ating SPay Later para sa mga groceries. Why I can't activate SPay Later? So, sabi dito, because only selected Shopee users will be eligible for the option to activate and make purchases using the SPay Later service. So, pili lang yung mga users na inaalaw nila na makagamit nitong SPay Later, hindi lahat. Why is my SPay Later limit so low? The limits on your SPay Later account are subject to review and adjustment based on your spending and repayment behavior. So kung madalang ka lang namang mag-order sa Shopee or may binayaran sa Shopee tapos madalang mo lang gamitin yung SPay Later wallet mo, talagang mababa lang yung pwede mong mahiram or mautang sa SPay Later kasi hindi kanila nakikitaan ng interest sa paggamit ng SPay Later kasi madalang nang yung paggamit mo sa kanila. How do I disable SPay Later? So, para ma-disable nyo yung SPay Later nyo guys or ma-delete nyo yung inyong SPay Later account, mag-reach out kayo sa customer support. I think pwede doon sa may chat, sa may Shopee. Meron silang chat, chat group. Pwede nyo yun. Pwede kayong mag-chat doon kung gusto nyo i-deactivate na yung inyong SPay Later account kung ayaw nyo nang gamitin. What is the late fee charge of SPay Later? A penalty of 10 will be applied. I think 10,000 to. Hindi ako sure. Parang doon kanina. Wag na lang natin tong anuhin guys kasi hindi tayo sure. Wag natin basahin pag hindi tayo sure. Wag na muna to. Can I activate SPay Later and not use it? Once you have successfully activated your SPay Later account, you will not be able to remove this feature from your app. You may choose not to use the SPay Later feature once it is activated. There will be no charge on your account if SPay Later. So, okay lang kahit hindi nyo gamitin. Diba nag-activate kayo ng SPay Later? Okay lang kahit hindi nyo gamitin. Kasi wala namang charge noon. Andun lang siya na steady lang siya doon. Walang mangyayari kung hindi nyo siya gagamitin. How do you use SPay Later for the first time? Then, ito yung sinabi ko kanina, yung process ng pag-activate ng SPay Later. Ito naman yung mga how do I pay my SPay Later bill? So, paano daw niya mababayaran yung kanyang mga bayarin? So, una, punta kayo sa payment center. Pangalawa, piliin nyo yung e-wallet. Pangatlo, piliin nyo yung OTC and online payment. So, andun yung inyong Shopee Pay wallet. So, ayan lang yung process guys. Sunod naman niya na doon na makikita nyo. What is the highest SPay Later credit? So, sabi dito, credit limit, there is a wide range of available credit on SPay Later based on your payment history and spending behavior. As a matter of fact, a small number of Redditors have revealed their credit limits which range from 5,000 to 50,000 pesos. Can I pay full payment on SPay Later? Yes, you can pay. So, ito yung process guys. Sundan nyo na lang to. Pwede nyo itong i-screenshot. Can I pay half of my bill on SPay Later? So, sagot na natin to kanina. Then, who is qualified for SPay Later? So, yung mga pwede guys na yung mga eligible sa SPay Later ay yung mga 21 to 65 years old na merong isang valid ID. Kasi kailangan kasi yon doon sa pag-activate ng ating Shopee Pay Later account. Can I withdraw money from Shopee Pay Later? So, sabi dito, SPay Later is only available to select Shopee users. SPay Later credit cannot be withdrawn. So, hindi siya nawi-withdraw. Hindi siya nakukuha. For withdrawable loans, learn more about S-loan. Ito yung sabi dito, nabubulol na ako. Ito yung sabi dito, hindi daw siya nawi-withdraw. Can I withdraw money? So, same lang kanina. How do you use S-Pay Later? So, halimbawa, pag i-check out nyo na, click nyo yung select payment option. Then, select nyo yung S-Pay Later. Then, click nyo yung confirm. Then, pag na-confirm na, click nyo na yung place order. Then, ilagay nyo yung inyong PIN. ShopeePay PIN or pwede rin i-verify mo through biometrics, yung fingerprint or yung inyong mukha. Then, what are yung mukha ng ID, I mean. What are the disadvantages of S-Pay Later? Next, what are the advantages of S-Pay Later? So, sabi dito, in S-Pay Later, there is no tolerance for late payments. So, hindi nila tinotolerate. So, dapat pag nagbayad on time at buo, hindi pwedeng half. So, you may be fined if you are late. So, kapag late kayo magbayad, meron kayong fine. Merong multa. And not everyone can register because you must first submit an application to be introduced. Kaya nga, hindi lahat ina-approvean sa pag gamit ng S-Pay Later. Kasi nga, yung iba, walang kakayahan, hindi sila sure kung may kakayahan nga bang makapagbayad. Kaya once na gumamit ka ng S-Pay Later, dapat pangatawanan nyo. Dapat, pag nagbayad kayo on time, tapos full yung payment, hindi half lang. Kasi kung late yung pagbayad, meron kayong multa. So, may additional payment. What will happen if you don't pay on ShopeePay Later? Tapos na to kanina. Ito naman, what are the benefits of S-Pay Later in Shopee? So, in S-Pay Later, there is an exclusive payment solution by Shopee, giving buyers the privilege to buy now and pay later. So, ito yung kagandahan guys ng S-Pay Later sa Shopee. Ito yung binibigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga tao na makapag-order o makapagbili kahit wala pa silang pera sa ngayon. Kumbaga para siyang utang nga. Pwede silang makabili ngayon, tapos later, yung ginastos nila sa pinambili nila, babayaran nila. Installment, parang gano'n, installment. So, ang S-Pay Later, it is a feature wherein qualified buyers have the option to buy now and pay later or apply for an installment loan. So, itong S-Pay Later na to guys ay para siyang credit card na installment. Yung buy now, pay later. Tapos itong S-Pay Later is hanggang 12 months. Mamimili lang kayo kung ilang months yung hanggang ilang months nyo babayaran. Tapos sabi dito, S-Pay Later has a processing fee of 0 to 2% per transaction amount yon. So, bawat transaction amount, merong processing fee or parang interest, hindi interest, processing fee, 0 to 2% per transaction amount yan at yung monthly interest naman, ranges from 1 to 5% for items. So, iba lang yung processing fee, iba lang yung interest fee. Yan. So, ayun lamang mga ka-blessings, yung aking video sa ngayon na all about S-Pay Later or ShopeePay Later. Ito guys ay mga na-research ko lang. Legit naman to kasi galing to mismo sa Shopee. Mga na-research ko all about S-Pay Later kasi naisipan ko lang na i-research ito para sa mga wala pang idea tungkol dito. Ang aking purpose lang is that magkaroon man lang sila ng idea or madagdagan man lang yung idea nila tungkol dito sa S-Pay Later para makapag-decide sila kung i-activate ba nila yung kanilang S-Pay Later or hindi na. So, kung meron kayong mga katanungan, ay comment nyo na lang sa baba. At pa-favor na lang po ako mga ka-blessings na sana po ay huwag niyong kalimutang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at pakiclick na lang din po ng bell sa gilid para kapag meron akong bagong upload na mga informative videos ay ma-update at ma-notify kayo. And always remember, never regret anything that has happened in your life because it cannot be changed, undone, or forgotten. So just take it as a lesson learned, and move on. Ayun lamang po mga ka-blessings. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. God bless!